how to see more in your spreadsheet. So let's say, I mean, you see I have a lot of, hopefully you can see, I have a lot of tabs at the bottom here. Obviously a sample spreadsheet, but you know, you might have a real one that has lots and lots of tabs because maybe it's lots of months of data, or maybe you have lots of different years or days of the, you know, days of the month, or whatever you're keeping track of. You have different stuff in different tabs. So sometimes you can't see the tab way over on the right. So there might be a surprise there, or maybe it's even a prize. Let's see. So what you can do, rather than, you can certainly use the arrow to move to it, or you can right click. So let me just do that again. So I can use this arrow. I'm not going to, because I don't want you to see what my tab names are. I'm going to actually right click, and actually it tells you as I hover there, right click. If I right click there, it shows me all the names of my tabs. So beyond test number 4, there is a surprise. See, I loaded you guys up. So if I go surprise, that's what I get. Fun, right? Okay, the next one, let's try that again. We're gonna go back there and go to the prize, and then we see that. So that's just another little trick for you, just being able to kind of see what all your tabs are about without having to use the arrow keys. And you know, I know you can use the arrow keys, and I know you can read them when they're on the screen, but sometimes you can't see them all. So arrow keys or right click. So those of you that like to right click, here's another right click shortcut for you. So enjoy that. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.